we're up here with Bob in his design studio, and we're thanking him very much, sir, because we have, he came to the Westsail project, and he has agreed. We're working on a sail away package, so little bits and treats and good things that the new owner is going to get of that boat. And one of them is signed copy of Bob's book here. So that's what we just been doing this morning.
Show them better.
And I got close-ups already. They'll get to see it, and we'll zoom in. So that's what we're up to, is this cool sail away package. There's other people in Anacortes that are doing things. And by the way, if you're doing a book signing, you should always bring some smoked salmon and some scotch. Never hurts. I think we got a better picture out of that deal. The other thing is that I really got to thank you, Bob, is when we started this project, you came up and brought us 2 sets of prints.
Yeah.
We're going to have you sign the one set. And we thought that was great. But Art here, the lead guy, what I have found over the past year working on this boat is that he's constantly like, where's Bob's drawing? Because this isn't the way it is in the drawing, and we want to make it. He's like, the only way we can do this right is the way Bob drew it, and so
Tried to.
We about wore out we saved 1 set for the new owner. That'll be part of the sail away package as well, and that's this one here. And we'll send that off. But it's been interesting. So
you roll this, right?
Carefully.
The American way.
You
roll it to begin with. You roll it inside out. You're supposed to have the image on the outside.
See, he's backwards already.
So it lays down flat. Rookie mistake.
So we can lay it out there. So
You want me to sign each?
no. We're gonna just do one autograph on the front page for the new owners. So they'll get this, and I'm assuming this front one that they could actually have it framed if they wanted to. Here's your pen. All sorts of stuff. So Art was working on the first thing that we noticed in the drawing was that when we were taking the shaft out, the strut, is that you couldn't actually, so I thought we'd have you sign that one there. That'd be a nice...
roll this up and spill it down, or how?
So, yeah, they didn't build the strut with an angle at all. So you couldn't remove the shaft in order to pull the shaft.
Drop the strut and pull the shaft.
Well, yeah, and so one of the two. And so that was definitely no good. And when we got here, he was telling you about the propane.
What did I draw? You had that was a
offset,
an offset to starboard for a right hand.
And so we went back to making that happen, and then we the bilge, same thing. It was just down all the way 5 feet deep, and not at all how you had drawn it. So Art built a nice fiberglass insert, and we put foam in the bottom, so it's got a double bottom. And anyways, we have used that offering, generous offering of having the original drawings of the boat. And so
I have, a lot of owners want their plans, and I have to warn them. I said, I'll give you the plans. I'll give you just what I gave the builder, but I got to warn you, your boat may not reflect the details of the drawings.
For
sure. Sorry.
Come to find out, well, especially we've learned with owner completed. That's
yeah.
Lots of that. So, anyways, big shout outs to you. Big thanks.
Thank you very much.
We're going to get this. We are going to get this boat back out on the ocean. We're making good progress now with all the fixes and changes and fiberglass work that Art's been doing with students, and we're excited.
Engine's in.
Yeah. So now we're going to be able to do some electrical and some of the fun stuff that we like, the systems. The rig is beautiful. It's going on next week. All painted, all new.
So how far away from launching are you?
We're hoping June. Yeah.
So if I did find a buyer now,
yeah.
If you wait till June.
If they can wait till June, we're going to start doing public tours in January. Mm-hmm. January through June, people could start coming in, make an appointment and crawl through it. And so it's been a great project. We've learned a lot, and we'll do a full-on hour-long debriefing, probably with some beer or scotch, about what we really learned after they've written the check, of course, for the new owner. So.
Well, we'll see how that pans out. It's been a lot of work.
So, anyways, many thanks, Bob.
Yeah,
this has been great.
My pleasure. Yeah, my pleasure.
So this was such a treasure to hang out with this legendary designer. All these half models, pipes from years, and half a dozen guitars,
look at these half models. There's Night Runner, there's Icon. These are all Anacortes boats that we know and have come to love that he's designed. There's our Westsail 39 right there. That was up behind where he was doing the signing in his office here. And that later became the Fairweather Mariner. But yeah, we hung out with Bob, talked about how we're bringing the boat back as best we can to what he's done. He's got a very active Facebook page. If you're interested in Bob Perry Designs, own a boat of his. He puts a lot of time and effort into this, and I really appreciate that. I check into it daily where he's giving, people are posting pictures of his designs and he's contributing and answering questions and stuff like that. And so, and this was an unexpected little treasure. We expected he'd just autograph this book for the new boat owner that we would send off, and one for our Scallywags Boat Club. But he actually did a sketch of a boat in there, and so we're very blessed to have him supporting our project and getting to visit. So that's it. Thanks for watching.